Namaskar to all Samithians. Now today I coming again with the live practical demo. Friends, last time we showing a live demo practical number first, second, third and the sixth one. Hope so. Each and everyone showing a live videos and retain all the readings in your record books because in the practical exam time it is must be compulsory complete your record book because it is your hall tickets. So each and everyone, time to time, retain all the practicals whenever I reproduce the videos. So friends, today we going with the practical number 8th one. It is a AC frequency. Now in the physics practical standard 12, in each and every practical, we passing a AC current, but we converting in the DC because all the setup instrument working with the DC current. But today, the only one of the practical, we are not converting AC to DC, but directly passing AC current. Friends, so it is a very risky. You know the benefit or this benefit of the AC current. Whenever we contact with the AC current directly, so definitely the accident should become. But no problem. We are passing maximum 12 volt of AC current. So it is not a big issue whenever the accident should become. So first aim. So what is the aim of given practical? To determine the frequency of alternating current means AC current using a sonometer and an electromagnet. So today we solve the equation like V is equal to 1 by 2L under root square root like capital T by small m. Now as per theoretical from the standard 9, you know what is the AC current coming in our home. So you have the answer. It is a 50 hertz. 50. But whenever you go out of India, other countries, so that place 60 hertz. So now today, with the help of this live practical, we our try best to our answer should be common 50. Let's see. So this practical, what we want. So this practical, the setup like one a sonometer, then after a electromagnet, step down transformer, connecting wires, a weight box, and the sandpaper. Now friends, then after the second level, it is a circuit diagram. This practical have no circuit diagrams, but now it is a connection circuit diagram. We directly copy from the net because in our practical books you will not found any type of circuit diagram. So as per just the only example you show here. Now this practical they using the sonometer. So first we showing a animation circuit connection. So it is a sonometer. No standard 11 science. We using this one. You found the relation between FL. That time we using this one. We using a weight like 1 kilogram, 2 kilogram on the hanger. Now you found the two supporters between in the sonometer like a point A and point B. The scale also available regarding this sonometer and one wire. In the last year, very good experience with the help of tuning fork. We create the vibration on the wire and that base we put a one single small page and suppose the page come down on the wire and we note down the length between a two block. But today the different method because we passing the current. Today we are not using the frequency value. So it is a sonometer you were showing in the lab in the last year. Now it is a hanger. So today we are using a weight, a maximum 250 gram. So today we taken 4 readings like a 250, 200, 150 and the 100 grams. Today we showing in the live demo 250 gram and found the vibration, and then after we retain remaining readings without performing. Now magnet. So now this practical we using a one electromagnet. This electromagnet we put between the wire, but be carefully. Now these magnets have two surfaces like one north, second south, and in between you set a one wire on the sonometer, but be carefully. The magnet surface don't touch with the wire. Now after the first time we using the AC source for sonometer, only made for the sonometer. Only this meter we using only the practical number 8 one. Then after we performing total number of 18 practicals, but now we are not using this one because I say this only the practical we passing the AC current. Now this meter also have two terminals, but no plus no minus. It is a common. Now the connection. Oh, very simple. Now the sonometer wire, we attach one wire, the one terminal of the AC surface, one terminal to a one surface of the sonometer wires, and second terminal with the second surface. Nothing like any type of we require a rheostat or simple key. Very simple circuit connection. So friends, today we found the vibration. But one question, how can possible? How can we create the vibration on the wire? So standard 10, I think you have a one topic, electromagnet or magnetic field. So here we passing a AC current on the wire, and that time the magnet also work is naturally. So magnet and the wire both work each other, and that time we create a vibration on the wire because the magnet is a heavy. So magnet not changing the places, but we showing a wire it is a thick and not more weight. So now he vibrate in place because AC current starting from plus to minus and again coming minus to plus. So that base be showing a number of higher vibrations should be coming on the wire because the magnetic field created between the wire and the magnet. Now we showing this live with in the videos. Now today we solve this table. First we want some observation because it is a non-value. Sometime the examiner given in the exam time. But today we retain this directly copy in your record book because it is a live practical demo readings. First, the length of the wire. So it is a 1 meter always. Mass of the wire, it is a non-value 1.6 gram, and then after we converting it is a 0.0016 kilogram. So same value mass per unit length 0.0016 kilogram per meter. How can possible you say? Because 0.0016 by 1. So definitely our answer should become 0.0016. And the value of small g, it is a 9.8 meter per second square. Now table. Now you showing a one table. So here number of column is more. Now this observation table, only the one known value, it is given by the examiner. So it is a lower m mass of hanger. So it is starting from 0.250 gram, means 250 gram, and we converting in kilogram, so written here 0.250, then after 0.200, 0.150 and 0.100. Now tension. T, it is a non-calculation because we have equation m is a mass and g is a gravitation. Suppose first one, so 0.250 multiply 9.8, so it is a value 2.45. 0.200 multiply 9.8, so we create 1.96. 0.150 multiply 9.8, so we create here 1.47, and 0.100 multiply 9.8, so we create 0.98. Now time of live demo. So first we showing here how can possible 51 against the 0.250. So all each and everyone, it is a first experience in my also. I showing here live demo practical first reading, and then after written second, third, fourth it after the observations. So each and everyone showing in the screen only. I sharing a live videos. Good morning to Samithians. Now today, again coming with the live practicals. The practical number 8 one. The practical is sonometer. Standard 11. You know, last year we using a setup like sonometer and we found the relation between the frequency and the length. But today, we directly found a frequency of AC. Like it is a 50, we know as per our theoretical point. Now this practical, we directly passing the AC current the first time, because in the physics practical, every time we passing a DC current. So now you show here, it is a specially like a power pack of sonometer. From this box, we passing a directly AC current, but now it is not more, only the 10 or 15 volt, not maximum. So here two terminal but no plus and minus, is both terminal are common. Now again we showing a one sonometer setup. It is set up like in the last year we show. It is a wooden box and two scale available starting from 0 and up to 100 centimeter. Now you show here one wire attached here. Now today, and the two supporters like supporter number here 1 and second also, because with the help of supporter we found the length between a wire. So today we using a one magnet. Now magnet we set here, it is between the wire, but be carefully, do not touch the wire in the magnet. Okay. Now the connection. So here starting from the one terminal of the battery supply, directly connect with the wire, and the second terminal to directly connect with the here second surface of the wire. And the arrangement you again see here. One block, suppose we put any one point fixed and second is a movable, and you show here how can we put the magnet with the help of AC current and the magnet. Now this wire vibrates here, so we want maximum vibration on the wire, and that base we found the length between the two blocks. Now this practical we using some mass. So it is a known value given by the examiner in the exam time. So starting with here, it is a 250 gram. So each weight box weight is a 50 gram. So we using here 5. So it is a 250 gram means 0.250 kilogram. Okay, now so as per observation, first return some known value. Like length of the wire, it is a 1 meter. So as per our setup, it is a 1 meter. mass of the wire. So it is given from the examiner. So it is a 1.6 gram. And then after we convert, it is a kilogram, like a 0.0016 kilogram per mass. So mass per unit length. So again we calculate here. Now after the value of z, so it is a value like we know meter per second square. So it is a 9.8 meter per second square. Now the first column, mass, load mass including mass of hanger. So starting, suppose we using a 250 gram, and suppose we want value kilogram, so then 0.250 kilogram. Now tension. So it is you directly calculate with the help of mass and the gravity. So 0.250 multiply 9.8. So you found the T. Now then after first trial, so we want the value of the length of the wire. So now we showing here. So after starting the battery supply, now we load a 250 gram mass, and first you show here, after passing the current, the you showing only single wire. No vibration should become, because one block it is fixed. So now after you moving a second block, a very slow in the back side. Now you found the vibration on the wire. So you show here again a single wire after moving a second block, the back side. Now you again show here no vibration should become. Now slowly the vibration will be coming. Okay, now you see here it is a, you found here a maximum vibration. You show two wires. Okay, now a very easy method, you found here a two wires. So it is a maximum vibration will be start. Okay, you show here very clear, we showing the vibration with the help of passing the AC current and the magnet. Okay, so after showing a maximum vibration, you again show here in the exam time you doing this type of work. Okay, so then after coming the vibration, you note down the point, like a first point it is 80, the second point you show here it is a 29. So 80 minus 29, so definitely you got the answer, it is a 51. So directly written here in centimeter, so answer should become is a 51. Okay, so we showing here it is a 51 answer, it is a live demo. So how can possible? So it is a possible only from, we definitely showing, we show the table again. So 51 because so 1.80 and the second point 29. So 80 minus 29, it is a 51 is the first trial. Now second trial, it is not required, directly written the answer, directly copy. So definitely average should become mean 51. Now this 51 is centimeter, but we converting answer in the meter. So 51 by 100. So we got answer 0.51 in meter. Now this experiment we perform the repeat base. Now we remove 50 gram. So definitely we showing a in hanger it is a 0.200. So that time we again showing the vibration, and the answer should become 42.5 in centimeter, and then after we converting in the meter, so it is a 0.425. Then after 0.150 against 34 centimeter, we converting in meter 0.34 and the 0.100, the answer should become length of the wire 25.5 in centimeter, in meter 0.255. So friends, then after we solve one last equation because we want answer of 50. So we try here. So near equal because main 50 answer should be not come because sometimes the mass of the wire the different. So that base we are not answer perfection we coming of 50. But no problem. 15 difference will be required. Suppose 35 should be starting the answer is a okay acceptable. 35 to 50 between the answer you are right. So now first we solve the equation. So equation is a V is equal to 1 by 2 L square root T by M. So first number. So 1 by 2 multiply 0.51 L length. As per our table in the first row, you show 0.51 square root capital T. You show 2.45 first row by M is a common value 0.0016 mass per the unit. Then after we solve this equation formula and we got answer 38.36. So it is the answer right. So we written here. Now second. Now second again 1 by 2 multiply the length 0.42. So we check here 0.42 in our second row and then after 1.96 is a t value. We have a 1.96 and then after we solve the formula. So we got answer 41.65. Now third one. Third one again the same formula we using here 1 by 2 multiply 0.34 length. So we check here 0.34 length in the third row and the value of t 1.47 we put in the equation. After the solution we got the answer 44.55 and the fifth number. So fifth number we have a length 0.255. So we put here 0.255 and t value. So t is a 0.98 we put there. So after finally 48.49 near equal 50. So friends, in the comparison of the last year 11 science, the 12 science sonometer practical are very easier, simple method. Whenever you coming in the school after the school start, definitely we showing a live vibration again. But that time you coming with the complete the record book. So we have more time. So we showing a 2 or 3 practicals in one time because in the live practical videos you showing already. Now after we retain the last column, you fill up the values and after graph. So this practical have a one graph L square versus T. So regarding this, the last two column L, you converting this length value in the L square, and this value should be written in the y axis. In the x axis, you have the value of tension like T. Now after put the all the values, and then after you found the one straight line. Straight line is not possible, so any 2 point you connect with the straight line, and then after you plot a one slope between 2 points, look like a Pythagoras. So definitely that time you found a equation slope is equal to AB by BC because this formula we using in the last year 11 science some practicals. After you found the slope, you have a one graphically equation. Graphically equation which one? So it is a small v or any v is a frequency v is equal to 1 by square root 4m multiply slope. But the question, what is a small m? So small m is equal to mass per unit. We have value 0.0016 kilogram. And after you have the value of slope, after plotting the graph, and you retain now this equation, and you solve. Definitely, the answer should become between the 35 and the 50. Maybe. Definitely come. Because as per the theoretical, as per the table we show, our all the value should become, you show last column, the value of frequency should become between 35 to 50. So definitely from the graph, your answer should become in between the range. But as per the carefully, because I know in the last time, in the 11th science, some students confused about the how to plot the graph. So friends, whenever you found any type of query, so please call me personally. Definitely we solve your any type of query in the practically, suppose in the Zoom meeting, otherwise the live WhatsApp video chatting, and that time I definitely given the ideas how to draw the graph and any type of confusion because of practical. It is not a easy, not a tough. Sometimes the students know whenever you have some practical knowledge, so definitely you solve all the theory in the physics textbook. In the NIT college, you know the practical marking compulsory count in the your theory marks. Okay, in 12th science, it is a not a main subject, but in the college level, definitely the practical marks count with the theory. It is a next year onwards you showing, but whenever you have a practical knowledge, so definitely you done a theory a very confidence. So friends, it is also a very good experience to me also. Today I come with the practical numbers 8 1, and hope so in the future I coming with more practicals to you, and this practical definitely benefit to you because in the time of practical board exam in before 1 week you saw my videos like how to connect the circuit because I give you idea the animation circuit. So that time it is a help to you how to connect the circuit. And in the exam time, suppose you draw a circuit connection and the connect the circuit, definitely 50% marks given by the examiner because sometimes the examiner not coming to you and showing the practical. He wants the students only draw the circuit diagram and connect the confidence and you showing only the one reading. So definitely the success should become on the exam time and the record in the summit school in the last few years. Whenever last 2 years, our students perform very well in the board practical exam because this year we showing in our school the students should be come from the outer side and they are unable to draw the circuit and connect the circuit. But I have the confidence. Whenever I given the ideas to the student of summit years, definitely they are perform the very good practical in the outside. It is the I have the confidence. So this confidence made by you also. Okay, friends. So very good. Time to I say some lecture to you, and you saw this video, and definitely all the readings you copy in your record books, and a one copy means a one photo sent me in my WhatsApp number as a proof whenever you return the practical. So friends, practical number 1, 2, 3, 6, and 8, you click the photo of the table and send me personally as a proof whenever you return the practicals. Okay, friends, stay home so the corona not coming for you. Okay, bye.